So everyone are seeing a PPT.
Yes.
Yes.
So the starting point will be started by Chandana. So please continue.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Chandana, and our topic is automatic tap water system. And our team members are Jai Kishan, Deepika, and next contents are abstraction, introduction, objective, problem statement, literature survey, methodology, implementation, flow diagram, result, and reference. Abstraction. IoT based automatic tap water system. Our project is based on IoT only. We are using sensors and microcontroller, and when the hand it can detect the hands by infrared sensor. We are using microcontroller, sensor, solenoid wave, which turn water on and off. It is touch-free operation and I maintain high hygiene, avoid spreading of germs. We can implement this project in schools, hospitals, public areas. Next, I am going to do introduction of this topic. Water wastage is a universal global problem. Maybe taps remains unnecessarily open in public areas. IoT provides the best solution for this by automatic tap water system. We are using infrared sensor, microcontroller, and solenoid wave to control the water wastage. It promotes operations like hygienicity and resource. We can save the water. Next topic will be continued by Deepika.
Hello everyone, I am Deepika and I'll be explaining on objectives, problem statement and literature survey on our project. Firstly, the main objective of our project is to design and implement automatic tap water controlled using IoT-based technology. And the aim is minimize water wastage by controlling water flow automatically and detect the presence of hand. Then next, to promote hygiene by avoiding physical touch. It also promotes hygiene by eliminating the physical contact, which is especially important for public places. It prevent the spread of infection. Next, to reduce energy and maintenance cost with simple low power circuitry. Then we have to design energy efficient and low cost, so it can be just in households but also in also places like homes, offices and hospitals. Then it to develop a cost effective prototype suitable for homes and public places. And next, problem statement. In many homes and public areas, manually operated taps are often left running, lead to huge amount of water wastage. Another issue is hygiene. So our project addresses these two major problems: preventing water wastage through automation, and next hygiene. Then next, literature survey. Before starting our design, we studied existing research and projects in this field. First one, Sharma et al. In the year 2021, he proposed IR-based automatic system to reduce water wastage. It showed the automation can reduce water wastage effectively. The next, Kumar and Patel in the year 2022, he developed Arduino-based system with ultrasonic sensor for water control. The next, Rajesh et al. In the year 2023, introduced IoT connectivity for monitoring and water flow controlling using NodeMCU. Then next, continued by Jai Kishan.
So hi everyone, myself Jai Kishan. Today I'm going to explain about project methodology and implementation part. So what is methodology means? Explain how different parts of the IoT system work differently and integrated together. The first object we will use is sensor. That is, we are going to use IR sensor. We can also use ultraviolet sensor also, but IR sensor will detect the object very effectively and moderate. IR sensor mainly detects the presence of ant near tap. That is, when we place the ant near our any object or valve, it detects by opening the IR sensor and bounce back the IR sensor to the machine. The next part is controller. We are using the Arduino ID, the processed signal from sensor. That means what we have detected the hand presence of our hand, send the signal to the code we have used or the Arduino board we have used. The solenoidal wave controls water flow based on microcontroller output. It mainly opens the flow of water. That means how to stop, how to open the water. The next is IoT connectivity. This is optional, and we are adding this in our project so that it will be more advanced of our project. It sends usage data to cloud for monitoring. That means the what we have sended the what we have controlled the process signal from controller. It will send the data to the IoT connectivity, and it will get to our mobile phone. Next is power supply. We are going to supply the power using the DC voltage to all the components. The next part is implementation part. So implementation will tell us how all the different things work together. The first is hardware components. The hardware components includes IR sensor, Arduino Uno, NodeMCU, solenoidal wheel, relay module, power adapter. So the solenoidal wheel connected to the tap water. When microcontroller send the signal, that means I signal is getted by the microcontroller. Then the wheel opens and allows water to flow through it. Once the hand is reached, then the signal becomes low and wheel closes, stopping the water. The next is software. We are using the Arduino IDE for code. We are doing the writing the code in Arduino board so that it can record the usage of the water and all the other things, and IoT platform like Blink and ThinkSpeak. So it is a platform where we can easily apply the code and get the features to it. The steps are we are going to connect the IR sensor output to Arduino input pin. That means we are using the infrared sensor so that by keeping our hand to the wheel or opening system, it will detect and sends back the IR signal back to the controller and gets the signal. Then the connected solenoidal wave to relay output. The solenoidal wave is connected to the relay output so that it can open the wheel or close the wheel. Once we have take back our hands, then we are going to write the code in write code to control wheel based on sensor readings. That is, we are going to write code on coding Arduino board. Like it will get the code about how the data is stored and how much water is present in the system, and it tells us about the everything of the manage and control water readings. Upload code and test water flow. Before doing all this, we'll upload a code and test water flow, and optionally connected NodeMCU to IoT dashboard to monitor usage. So this is the additional part we are using our in our IT project. That is, we are going to connect the NodeMCU, which is connected through the Wi-Fi to it, so that we'll easily get to know the amount of water usage and opening of the tap water and time usage in the monitor system. So this is the about the implementation part. The next part will be continued by Aditya Vishek.
Hi everyone. Today I am explaining about the flow diagram of our project. Step 1, start. We will start the operation by powering on the switch. And next step is initialize and connect to the Wi-Fi. The microcontroller start by initializing the sensor and all the components of our project. And it is connected to Wi-Fi to store the information about the how many times the tap is on, and it will record in the cloud. And the next step is ideal scan for ants. Before operating the system will be in the ideal state and scanning for hands. The IR sensor is used for scanning hands, and it will scan if it detected any ants. It will open the solenoidal valve, and if it is not detected, it will be in the ideal state only. Next step, open solenoidal valve. If the ants is detected from the IR sensor, it will open the tap and allows to flow the water. And next step is start and continue usage timer. The cloud is used to store the timer of our tap, and the water is flowing. The next step is ant still detected. If the ant will still detected, the solenoidal valve will be open. And if no ants are detected, it will close the solenoidal valve. And next is send usage data to the cloud. This will this will send that how much time our tap is on to detect the user wastage of the water. Next slide is for result. The system successfully detects hand presence and control water flow automatically, reduce the unnecessary wastage of water, provide hygienic and touch-free operation. It will prevent people from different infections and going to them sick. Can be enhanced with the IoT monitoring for tracking water usage data. Next will be the reference part of our project. Next slide reference.
So the reference we have taken the Sharma P. Patil. So he has done the automatic water tap system using IR sensor. So what is the difference between our project and him is that we have done the connected the data and we have connected the Wi-Fi to it. So the Sharma has done only the basic things, that is only the automatic tap water. He has not collected the data how much water is used and all the other things. The Kumar A. Patel IoT-based smart water management system, he has only done the smart water, like collecting the information of the data, not using the automatic water system. That means he's only detected the water usage and all the other things. The Rajesh Sen smart faculty using a NodeMCU and IR sensor. So he has Rajesh has used the IR sensor and NodeMCU, but not connected to the Wi-Fi and Arduino board, and it automatically does not get the data through the mobile. So our project mainly focuses on automatic tap water system. When we start the or when we place the hand near to the valve, it automatically opens the valve and get the water. And when we take our hand back, it will stop. The best part is that the data will be stored through the mobile app, in the Blink app. Like it will get to know the how much water is left and how much time it has taken, and all the other things we will add features in the next view also. So this is your project. If any questions is there, you can ask, ma'am.
Go to slide introduction part.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the main purpose of your project?
This will be continued by Chandana.
Our project is based on automatic tap water system, which maintains hygienicity and avoids spreading of germs, and also water saving solution for the in public areas.
What are the advantages of your system?
So we are
Uh,
mainly focusing on advantages like prevent water wastage. So we can see that many in the bathrooms also, especially, leaking of the water tap is mainly happening. So to avoid this, we are using automatic tap water. So water wastage will be decreased and promotes hygiene. Many of the ants are uh, infected, and many of the viruses are coming nowadays. To prevent that, it is also advantage. The energy efficient. So it uses only less amount of energy, and can be easily managed, and less cost efficient also. So these are all the advantages of our project.
Which sensor you have used?
So we are basically using the IR sensor.
IR
Deepika,
sensor. Ma'am,
We can also use
Sense.
ultraviolet sensor also.
wait, Jai Kishan, wait.
ma'am,
Aditya, Aditya, which sensor you have used?
we used IR sensor, ma'am, because it detects hand movement accurately without physical contact and works reliably at short distances.
What are all the problems trying to solve through this project?
Ma'am,
Which helps
we aim to solve two
water
main problems.
wastage problem and also maintains hygienicity, avoid spreading of germs. We can avoid some diseases which spreads through the taps.
Go to that flow chart.
Yes, ma'am.
From where you have get this flowchart?
Ma'am, we have done with the flowchart maker. Like we have used with the help of the ChatGPT, and also we have seen our some of the YouTube channel by references also, and we have seen the reference of Sharma and also Sharma and Rajesh. I've read the reference of them. They also done the same thing. Based on that, we have created the flowchart.
Okay, good presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Anything we should
And
need to change for the next review, like any improvements we should need.
I will say the next, or when you guys will wait, no, that time I will say.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.